Hi guys, today I have OSCAL Tiger 12 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must open Google Chrome application. In it we press 3 dots on the right corner and now we go to the settings, where we have our password manager selection. In it we can turn on or turn off some function as save passwords, auto sign in, or we can manage password which our smartphone remember, in this case to our Facebook account. We must press there and now we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this eyes icon our smartphone show us password which remember. We can also custom it by tap there and write something or delete what you need. To delete all what our smartphone remember, we press this trash icon, confirm all by delete passwords, and we don't have any saved passwords right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.